Hey guys, without wasting time, we will fix this issue together and so quickly. So first of all, we need to go to search bar and type here cmd, then right click on it and select run as administrator. So we are going to execute some commands to fix this issue. So follow my screen and don't miss any steps. Just hit enter to execute the command. So first command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and hit enter. Once done, then type here net stop CRY crypt SVC and then hit enter. Now type net stop bits and hit enter. Then type net stop MSI server and hit enter. And once done, type CLS and hit enter. Then type in REM space C:/Windows /software distribution space software distribution .old and hit enter. If you get access denied, don't worry, we need to keep executing the file. So type in REN space C:/Windows /system32 /catroot2 space catroot2.old and hit enter. Now type in net start space WUAUSERV and hit enter, and then go for the CRY crypt SVC, then type net start bits, and finally type exit to close the command prompt window. Now we need to restart the system and the problem will be fixed. You can also check out our pinned comment or description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Must check out to fix this issue. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.